So let me show you two things. Number one, you're going to have this really nice rolling cart over here, which you can assemble in about like 20, 25 minutes, no more than that. 28 inches tall by 13 or actually 14 inches wide. I needed this for my reverse osmosis and just to have tea, coffee, everything ready. And this is the other thing that I wanted to show you. Actually, you can get these bamboo organizers. They're really, really nice. Of course, you're not going to have to assemble anything, and you can play a little bit with how much room you need in each one of this. So I do think that these two together, this rolling cart with the leather-ish drawer over here, the middle shelf, the doors with the, take a look at that, the magnetic lock, and the wheels with locks, plus pair with this really nice set of 3 bamboo organizers are the best thing you're gonna need for this kitchen station, which is gonna be your tea, your coffee, your Argentinian mate station, whatever you name it, you can do it with this rolling cart. Super easy to assemble, comes with this really nice kind of like leather-ish drawer. But if you don't have anything right here to organize, just get this bamboo organizers and you'll be all set.